Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to divide a fraction by a whole number. And we're going to start off with this example. We have 1/4 divided by 7. Now, the first thing we have to recognize here is that we have a whole number being, we have a fraction being divided by a whole number. Now, these two things are two totally different things. It's like this is an apple and this is an orange. Nothing can happen between them. So we have to change this whole number into a fraction before anything can happen. They have to become the same species, so to speak. So how do we do that? First of all, we have to take the whole number and place it over 1. Simple as that. So let's rewrite this thing with this whole number as a fraction. So we keep our 1/4 the same, divided by 7/1. Voila. 7 has now become a fraction. And 7 as a fraction is 7/1. Now we can go ahead and do our division. So when we're dividing fractions, we have to follow a simple step. It's called keep, change, flip. We have to keep the first fraction the same. We have to change our operation from division to multiplication, and we have to flip the 7/1 to 7/1 so it becomes 1/7, right? So we keep this the same, we change the sign, and we flip or invert this, turn it upside down. So let's do that. We're going to keep quarter, we're going to change from division to multiplication, and we're going to flip from 7/1 to 1/7. That's it. Now we can work straight across. We can multiply straight across. So 1 times 1, 4 times 7. Pretty simple from here. That's going to be equal to 1/28. Pretty simple example. 1/28. That's it for our first example. Now let's do example number 2. Let's erase this. Erase everything. Okay, get back to our pen. All right, here we go. For the second example, we're going to do, which is a more complex example, 7/10. Oh my gosh, 7/10 divided by, let's see, 9. All right, 7/10 divided by 9. Now, what do we have to do? Before we can do anything between these two guys, because they're two different species, nothing can happen between them, we have to take our whole number, which is 9, and transform it into a fraction. And how do we do that? We just place it over 1. Simple as that. So let's rewrite it with both these expressions as fractions, right? So we have 7/10 divided by 9/1. There you have it. So we transform the whole number into a fraction. That's it. Now the next thing we have to do is we have to do the keep, change, flip method. We have to keep 7/10 the same. We have to change the division to multiplication. We have to flip 9/1, and it will become 1/9. So let's do that. So we keep 7/10. We change from division to multiplication. Then we flip from 9/1, and it becomes 1/9. Right? Then we can go ahead and do our multiplication straight across. So 7 times 1 equals 7. 10 times 9 equals 90. That's it. As simple as that. So again, in order to convert a whole number into a fraction before anything can happen, all you have to do is place it over 1, like this right here. And then next, you do the keep, change, flip. You keep the first fraction the same. You change your sign from division to multiplication, and you flip or invert from 9/1 to 1/9. Then you multiply straight across. That's it.